If your Chevy or GM ride is throwing up that steering assist is reduced or drive with care, it can be pretty stressful, but it's a common alert. Today's we're breaking down the top causes and some straightforward checks and fixes to get it sorted out without going to the dealer. All right, start with number one, low battery voltage or a weak or failing battery. These electric power steering EPS systems are super sensitive to the voltage of your battery, voltage drops. So when the battery is low or maybe old or not charging right, the system is giving you this error message to avoid any glitches. A lot of owners find that the warning vanishes after replacing the battery, especially if it's the original one and it has been 4 to 5 years. Grab a voltmeter and check at the terminals, with the engine shut off, obviously. It should be around 12.6 volts. If you don't have any multimeters, you can go to many auto shop, auto stores, auto parts stores, and they can check it for free. And since you're over there, check the battery terminals. If they have corrosion, well, this could also be another issue since voltage can drop if there's too much corrosion on those ends. Next, a faulty engine thermostat or coolant temperature sensor. This one is sneaky because it often ties into the code P0128, thermostat performance. When the engine doesn't reach a proper temp or the sensor reads wrong, the system thinks something is off with the overheating or the load. So it dials back the steering assist and sometimes kills the AC too. Many people on forum fixed it by replacing the thermostat and or the coolant temperature sensor. Parts are usually cheap, between 20 to 50 bucks each. So check your temperature gauge, and if it's not climbing as normal or the code scanner is showing P0128, that's your clue. Swap them out. The thermostat is usually under the air intake on those V6. Top off the coolant and clear the codes to see if this fixed the issue. Now for the number 3, it could be a software or calibration issue in the power steering control module, PSCM. GM has put out bulletins like the PIT 5593 for certain models. A software update or reprogram at the dealer often fixes it. No parts are needed, no parts to be bought. Just a calibration via their tools. If your truck is a 2017, 2018 Silverado or Sierra or something similar, this is worth checking first if other basics look good. But if you don't want to go to the dealer, you can also simply disconnect your battery, wait around 15 seconds and connect it back. The problem will be gone. It's not a permanent solution, but at least until you can go to the dealer, you'll be able to drive without having that warning message in the dash. Number 4 is problem directly in the EPS system, like failing torque sensor, a bad EPS module, or wiring gremlins. This hits harder on some newer models. The torque sensor alone accounts for a big chunk of cases per diagnostic data. Steering might feel off even when the message is on, but you get the code in the PSCM. Finally, other electrical gremlins like a weak alternator, bad ground, or even a wheel speed sensor issue feeding bad data to the system could be the issue. So if the alternator's not putting out steady voltage under load, it starts the EPS. Test charging the system output. Check for grounds, especially chassis and engine, and look for related codes like wheel speed one. A quick battery disconnect again for 10 to 15 minutes can reset those modules and sometimes buy time or clear a temporary fault. So there you have it. These are a few different tricks. If you have other solutions on how to fix this problem, please type a comment down below. Or if one of these was the actual issue, I want to know. So type a comment. I'm sure it could be helpful for many different people experiencing this. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.